Hi! Welcome to today's video. I am so excited for this video. So today's video I'm going to be testing the Imogenation Makeup Revolution palettes. I am obsessed with these palettes. They are amazing. I could not wait to order and try these palettes when Imogen announced that she was bringing out these palettes with Makeup Revolution, and then I saw her video and I could not wait to order them. You could just tell that she had put so much passion and thought into these palettes, and I was so excited to try them out for myself. I am so impressed with these. These are incredible. So I'll leave a link to them below, and yeah, I've created this cut crease look here. So if you want to check out my social media, it is AnnaMillerX on Twitter and Instagram. So here's the palettes here. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to see this video. So if you want to see how I got this look, carry on watching. So I am literally so excited to be using these palettes. So I ordered these 2 days ago I think, and they've arrived today, which is Saturday. So I ordered both the Highlight to the Moon palette and the eyeshadow palette, and this is them here. This is so exciting. I watched Imogen's video and you could just tell that she was so excited and so proud of what she's done. Makeup Revolution is such an amazing brand, and these palettes are just stunning and I cannot wait to use them. So I've already done my eyebrows, base makeup and my lipstick. So I'm not only using the Makeup Revolution palettes that I've got here, but the foundation and concealer that I have on is also from Makeup Revolution, and it's this foundation and concealer here. Now I've already done a review on these products. I love them both, they're amazing. So I've used the concealer as a base as well for my eyeshadow, and I'm going to set my makeup with this palette, highlight and bronze. So let's open the palette. I love the packaging, it's gorgeous, it's got that shine to it, and yeah, it just feels really good quality. Now this palette is bigger than I thought it was going to be. It just feels really good quality and it's got like a shine to it. I love it. I think it just looks amazing quality. So yeah, as I said, this palette is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So you also get this huge mirror in the palette, which is amazing. So to set the makeup, I am going to use the My Gal shade, and I'm going to use this underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to use it on my chin and my forehead where I would normally powder anyway. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelid as well, just to set the concealer. Now I do feel like this has gave a very brightened eye under look. That went on very well. It's not creased anywhere, and yeah, I love that powder. I can't wait to be using that more with like different foundations and concealers, but yeah, that is very nice. First I'm going to do my highlighter. So I'm going to take the shades Slay My Life. So there is 2 shades in this, and I do love a highlighter. So I'm just taking the 2 on this little brush here. Look at the shine on that, that is amazing. This full palette was £10. And alone, look at that highlighter, like that is amazing. That is just unreal. And then I'm also going to take some on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and I always put a wee bit on my chin as well. That highlighter is gorgeous, that is absolutely stunning. Look how bright that is. So to bronze, I'm going to use the shade Warrior, the shade in the middle. So I'm just using the other end of the brush that I used. That has blended out so easily. I cannot get over that highlighter. And then I'm just taking some on my forehead as well. And then I'm just going to take some on the sides of my nose and under my nose. So that is the finished base makeup. I really like the finish of this. All the face products I have used are all from Makeup Revolution, so I'll link them all in the description box. But yeah, I'm so happy with this, and the prices of these products are amazing, so I will link them all below if you want to check them out. So now on to the eyeshadow palette, and this is the palette here, and again it's the same packaging. I just think this is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. And again, this comes with a big mirror and 20 eyeshadows, which is incredible. There is so many eyeshadows in here. I'm not sure what look I'm going to do. Okay, I'm just going to try and think of something as I go along. So I'm going to take the shade Honeybee first, which is this light orange shade. But I'm going to zoom in to do my eyes. So I'm first going to take this shade in the crease. I'm just going to do that with little circular motions. I think I want to do a cut crease look, so I'm just blending this shade out. It is so pigmented, so I'm using this as my transition shade. This eyeshadow is so pigmented. And then I'm going to take this shade here, You Know. Look how pigmented this eyeshadow is. So I'm just pressing that into my lid first. That is absolutely gorgeous, that eyeshadow, I love it. Look how pigmented it is. It's like a bright coral red shade. And then I'm going to go back in with the first shade I used, Honeybee, just a wee bit, just to blend around the edges. And then just back in with the brush with the shade You Know. And then I'm just going in with a clean blending brush. I'm just blending out the edges. So I'm just using the powder brush that I used just to wipe away any fallout. So I'm just going to take the shade Honeybee again. I'm just going to add some more here, around the edges. And then I'm just going back in with the shade You Know on a different brush. And then I'm just doing the same on the other eye. And then I'm going to take the shade Berry Blast. I'm just going to press this in the corner here. And then to blend that out, I'm going to go back around with the coral shade, but I'm not adding any product, I'm just going back around with the brush that I used. So I'm going to do a cut crease look. So for the cut crease, I'm going to use the shade Forever Friend. And I'm just taking the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer. And I'm going to pop this on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to cut my crease first. And I'm just going to take a tiny little bit of this concealer. And I'm just pressing that onto my lid. So I'm going to take a brush that doesn't have any eyeshadow on it, and I'm just going to press in the concealer in the way. This is just so when I add the eyeshadow it's going to go on smoothly. So I'm going to take a bit of You Know and I'm just going to place that here. And then I'm going to take the shade Forever Friend on a small little detail brush. And I'm just placing that where I've cut the crease. And then I'm just taking a little brush where the shimmer shade moved above. How pretty is that? I love that. That is stunning. That palette is only £10. Like, how? It's just, that is amazing. I love that. I absolutely love that. So now on to under the eyes, and I'm going to take the shade Honeybee first. So I'm just running that underneath my eye first. And then I'm going to take the shade You Know. I'm taking the shade Berry Blush just on the outer corner here. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the shade Angel. Oh, that's amazing. That is an amazing eyeshadow. Wow. Look at the pigment. I'm just taking a wee bit of that on the brow bone as well. So I popped on some eyeliner, mascara and false lashes, and this is the finished look. I am literally so impressed with this palette. Like, these eyeshadows are absolutely stunning. So to finish off the makeup, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. I love this. I've used this for so long. I'm just going to take this Kirby out my hair. So that is the end of this tutorial. I am absolutely in love with these palettes. I think they are amazing and they are only £10 each, and for that price the quality is outstanding. I just think that is such an amazing price. The quality is so good. Please give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you as always for watching. Bye!